used it as a bench. More trail preservation. Oh, right. It's a missing step.
Holly was here. She was here in the crater.
Are you sure? I love this breeze. It's just constantly with us. Even though we're in the bottom of the crater, you would think that it would be really dry and hot. Look at that mist.
We're gonna go into the clouds.
Well, do you know the elevation? Yeah, my hand sanitizer bottle kind of popped, but that was the only altitude situation that I encountered.
Oh, sorry, I can't hear a word.
Oh.
I think it's your hat.
Maybe. Oh, this is the campground. We're 0.91.
Going into the clouds.
Here we go. Descending. The wind is getting stronger.
This will be a good place to stop for lunch because then it's the hard part.
Agreed.
We'll make sure we have a nice long rest.
Yeah.
Yellow flowers, they've been red flowers, red berries.
Nice. Yeah, we have arrived at the Haleakala cabins. Ooh. What's this? Oh my gosh, giant pit. I kind of want to see what's on the other side of it. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's a cave.
Oh really?
Yeah. It must be one of those the cinder cones or what we were in at
They're called blowholes.
blowholes.
Yeah.
We found a blowhole. Lunchtime. We've got 4 miles to go from here.
It's got the same one as us, as me.
Mm-hmm. It's the same.
The same one as Lola.
Oh, so he does. This is the Haleakala campground. It's really tiny actually. There's just like 2 sites up there. This is it. It's just here. Here comes the rain again. And the duck. And then campground site. And toilets. Yeah. We're about to find out.
Yeah.
Maybe this is why the hike has been rated hard.
Yeah.
Because I wouldn't say it's been a hard.
it begins.
Yeah. That's like immature fern. And then
It has a different texture though.
yeah.
Fern is like thinner. This is pretty crazy. For us, this is nothing.
Yeah. All the way down there. So green. Such stark contrast from the beginning of the hike.
Yeah.
There's just a thin mist in the air everywhere. Lava. What?
How far have we got there?
We barely made a dent. Look how it's all like bubbles. Yeah, we're on the final ridge now. My rain jacket's falling off. You're beautiful. No, you're beautiful. Oh. Okay, bye girls. They don't seem very startled at all, as if they're used to humans.
Yeah.
Or they just have poor defensive mechanisms. Sort of like that New Zealand kiwi that went extinct. Okay. 0.7 of a mile to go. Last final stretch through Park Road, and then raining like this the whole time, but it's a very light rain like this, and my clothes don't even feel wet, they just feel damp. So far, we've been hiking 6.5 hours now, and we got less than half a mile to go. So hopefully we pop out around the other side in about 10-15 minutes. It's been a good workout. Not too steep and nice speed. Would recommend. 10 out of 10. We did it! Trail complete. We went from there all day. Yeah! 10,000 feet elevation. This is Haleakala Observatory. It's the highest point on Maui because this site offers the 4th best viewing conditions on the planet.
A lot of telescopes on Hawaii.